Welcome to a world of mystery and marvel. Today we dive deep into the ocean's depths to explore the fascinating world of the octopus. Are you ready to uncover the secrets of these eight-armed creatures? Let's dive in. Fact number 10. Octopuses are masters of regeneration. These eight-armed marvels have the astonishing ability to regrow their limbs. If an octopus loses an arm, it will regenerate a new one, complete with all the intricate muscles and suckers. This process takes a few weeks to months, depending on the extent of the limb loss. The biological mechanisms that enable this are still a mystery to scientists. But one thing is clear: it's a formidable survival advantage. Just imagine losing a limb and then growing it back. Talk about a superpower. Moving on to fact number 9. Octopuses have royal blood, but why is it royal, you may ask? Well, it's blue. That's right. Octopuses have blue blood due to a copper-based protein called hemocyanin. This is found in their blood and helps them survive in extreme conditions, particularly the low temperatures and low oxygen levels of deep ocean waters. So not only do they have royal blood, but it also aids their survival. Cool, isn't it? Fact number 8. Some octopuses are fashion-forward and wear hats. These intelligent creatures have an intriguing habit of using shells, coconut husks, and other debris as a protective headgear. For an octopus, it's a clever survival strategy, a testament to their adaptability. So, in the underwater world, you might say it's not just a fashion statement, but it's a survival strategy. Fact number 7. They are master of disguise. These highly sophisticated cephalopods can quickly fade into the background of any material they happen to be on. Is quite amazing. They are experts at disguising themselves, since they have the ability to alter not just the hue but also the texture of their skin. The pigment cells termed chromatophores, which are in charge of the color change, and the skin's pliable papillae, which are in charge of the texture modification that permits three-dimensional morphing, are the two primary parts that enable this metamorphosis. Though octopuses are sometimes referred to as the chameleons of the sea, very little is known about the exact mechanisms underlying these amazing transformations. Fact number 6. Octopuses have arms, not legs. Now, this distinction might seem trivial, but it's fundamental to understanding these fascinating creatures. Each octopus sports 8 muscular, dexterous arms, used for everything from hunting to exploration. These appendages are lined with suckers, which are incredibly sensitive to both touch and taste. Unlike our legs, these arms can operate independently, making the octopus an unparalleled multitasker in the animal kingdom. So next time you see an octopus, remember, those are arms, not legs. Fact number 5. For male octopuses, love can be deadly. Once a male octopus has found his mate and successfully passed on his genes, his time on Earth is limited. His body begins to deteriorate almost immediately after mating. He stops eating, his skin becomes pale and loose, and within a few weeks he meets his end. The mating process is the final act of his life. For male octopuses, the cycle of life is inextricably linked with their demise. Love truly is a matter of life and death for these creatures. Fact number 4. Female octopuses are the ultimate mothers. Their maternal instinct is so strong that they guard their clutch of eggs with their lives. After laying thousands of eggs, they devote themselves entirely to their protection, forgoing food, and even their own well-being. This selfless act of motherhood often leads to their demise, as they perish shortly after their eggs hatch. But through this sacrifice, a new generation is born, continuing the cycle of life in the vast blue ocean. Their dedication to their offspring is truly remarkable. Fact number 3. Catching an octopus? Easier said than done. These crafty cephalopods have a bag of tricks that would impress any magician. From vanishing into thin air by camouflaging with their environment, to squirting ink clouds for a hasty retreat, they're masters in the art of evasion. But that's not all. They can squeeze their soft bodies through impossibly small crevices, making them quite the slippery catch. These creatures are not only fascinating, but also full of surprises. Fact number 2. Octopuses are swift swimmers. Ever seen a backstroke in an aquatic ballet? Picture an octopus. Their strong arms propel them through the water at astonishing speeds. But here's the twist: they swim backwards. Instead of facing the direction of travel, they prefer the backstroke, using their jet propulsion to race away from predators. It's an impressive feat of strength and agility. You could say they're the backstroke champions of the deep. Their swimming skills are a sight to behold. And finally, fact number 1. Octopuses are homebodies. These 8-armed wonders prefer the comfort of snug spaces, often choosing to reside in holes on the seafloor. The nooks and crannies of coral reefs also make for perfect hideaways, allowing them to blend in and evade predators. Their flexible bodies can squeeze into the smallest of crevices, making these habitats ideal. So, whether it's a cozy hole or a vibrant coral reef, octopuses know how to make a home. And there you have it, 10 amazing facts about the octopus. From regrowing limbs to incredible parenting sacrifices, they truly are fascinating creatures. Thank you for joining us on this deep-sea adventure. Remember, the ocean is full of wonders, and the octopus is one of them.